If you're a heart face shape and you've been doing your makeup as an oval face shape, then you've been doing it all wrong. Hi, and welcome back to this series, Learn Makeup from Scratch with me. And today we are going to talk about face shape. That's the first topic we are going to be discussing under this series. But first, if it's your first time here, hi, my name is Estrellas, a Lagos-based model, makeup artist, and content creator. You go to Gelly for all things beauty, fashion, and inspiration. And if you're a returning subscriber, hi Estrellas, welcome back to this series, Learn Makeup from Scratch with me. As I mentioned earlier on, today is all about face shape. Understanding your face shape helps you know how and where to apply products on your face like contour, blush, highlighter, and even eyebrow and hair styling. Basically, it's your makeup map. Trust me, once you know this, everything gets way easy. First, what is face shape? Face shape is the structure or outline of your face when viewed from the front. It is determined by the width of your forehead, cheekbone, jawline, and length of your face from your forehead, especially from your hairline to your cheek. This structure affects how certain makeup techniques look on you, like contouring, blush placement, and even the best hairstyle. How many types of face shape do we have? We have 6 to 9 recognized face shape, but we have 6 most common face shape, which are the oval face shape, the rectangle face shape, the diamond face shape, the heart face shape, the square face shape, the round face shape. Today we are going to talk about just 3 types in the first part of this video, which is the oval, the heart, and the rectangle face shape. What is an oval face shape? First of all, look at the shape of an oval. It's slightly longer than its width, right? It has no sharp corners and a gentle curved jawline. The cheekbones are literally the widest part of the face, and the forehead is wider than its chin, according to its width. This is often considered the ideal face shape because it's well balanced and is very versatile for all makeup styles. You can easily spot it if your face feels naturally balanced with no one area standing out so much, and you can draw an oval shape around your face, then this might be you. What is a heart face shape? Let's look at the heart shape, for example, or you can call it the upside down triangle. Wider at the top, that's the forehead, and narrow at the bottom, that is the chin. Your forehead is the widest part in your face and your chin is pointed or narrow, then this might be you. Others do say that the heart face shape have this V-like hairline and high cheekbones. What is a rectangle face shape? It's generally called the long face shape. It can be divided into the rectangle or the oblong face shape. Like the shape of a rectangle, longer than its width. Most cases have equal width for forehead, cheeks, and jawline. If your face is long with straight side and strong jawline, then this most probably is your face shape. We often confuse this type of face shape for the oval face shape. But rectangle face shape have sharper lines and less curve at the jawline. Now, what is the difference between long, oblong, and rectangle face shape? Long face shape is the general term used to describe a face that is noticeably longer than its width. This long face shape is divided into 2, which are the rectangle or the oblong face shape. Now, for the rectangle face shape, forehead and jawline may be wide and squared off, have more angle and defined jawline, have more boxy or structured appearance, the longer version of a square. For the oblong face shape, forehead, cheek, and jawline are almost the same width. Meaning for an oblong face shape is rounded, not sharp or angular, and have soft curves. Think of an oblong face shape as a stretched out oval that's longer than regular oval shape. I hope this video gave you all the explanations that you have been looking for, and do not forget that all face shapes are perfect just the way they are. Don't forget to visit our blog for a more detailed explanation on this topic. And we have come to the end of Knowing Your Face Shape Part 1. Please stay put for part 2. I can't wait to have you all in the next lesson with me. Do stick around because this series will benefit you a lot. Don't forget to follow me across all social media platforms for easy access. I have all that link down in the description box below, so do make sure you check them out. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss an episode. And I'll see you all in the next video. Shine bright.